This is a 1/16 wire RG60. That's what I use to TIG weld my pins on my mechanical hackamore bits. And Landon, my cameraman right here, is going to video me while I do this. And that is Landon right there. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Now, got the outside. And
Let's take a look at
submerge that. I did it too far up the line, but it didn't. Just when I get over to the saddle shop, when I get to the saddle shop, I'll oil the nose band.
Let's take a look.
There's the nose band. And I'll kind of dress that down just a little bit right there so it looks a little more pleasing.
So that tip right there is really hot?
This tip.
Oh.
And see, when I look at the little sparks coming out of it when I hit the pedal. See that?
Oh. Okay, that's the video.
Okay.
We're ready? Wait, do the thing. Do the thing onto it. Do the, you know, the thing like when you go and what?
I'm not ready for it. I'll do that in a minute.
Oh. Oh. Like hold on to the side of it to make it stop like.
What now?
Like. No. Make it spark.
Oh, this I don't spark.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. That's probably enough for now.
Let's take matters into my own hands.